Translations.
Tagalog,
English. Funny in.
Bisaya.
Disclaimer, these jokes are for entertainment purposes only, and are not meant to be rude. The humor here is the Tagalog words, translated into English, and it's funny when it comes to Visayan people. Number 1.
Tagalog. Ang awit ng bubuyog, sa ilalim ng mababang bangka.
English. The bee song, Under the Low Boat. Number 2.
Tagalog. Sabihin sa mamatay, kahit sinong kabataan, ay hindi bagay.
English. Say and die, any youth never think.